Hey there, Dr. Mike here. I want to talk to you this afternoon a little bit about preventing low back pain. I get asked in my office all the time how somebody can keep their low back from going out every once in a while. Well, number one, the back doesn't really go out. You have an old injury which has some scar tissue. The joint doesn't function like it's supposed to. When that joint gets stuck and isn't moving like it's supposed to, it causes swelling. When that swelling becomes enough where it puts pressure on the nerve, that's when you get the symptoms. That's why people can be going along with very little low back pain and all of a sudden sneeze and their back goes out. It doesn't really go out. That was the one that put you over the edge. That was the one where it caused enough swelling, enough scar tissue to put pressure on that nerve, and now you have symptoms. What can we do to prevent low back pain? Well, the number one thing you can do is increase your core strength. Your core, meaning your abs and your obliques and your hip flexors, all of those muscles need to be stronger to protect your low back. Your low back muscles are plenty strong. By standing up, we are using those low back muscles all the time. They're very, very strong. The problem is most people have these big guts hanging out over their bellies or over their belts, and those big guts are giving you no core strength whatsoever, and with that you're increasing the strain on your low back. So we need to start doing some sit-ups, we need to start doing some crunches, we need to start doing some oblique work where we're strengthening those oblique muscles, and even planking like we talked about last week in that video. Great exercise to increase your core strength. Number two thing you can do, get adjusted. Get adjusted before you have back pain. Maintenance. That we spend way more time maintaining our cars and maintaining our vehicles and make sure we have oil changes and rotating our tires and doing the things we need to keep our cars from breaking down. And we do absolutely nothing to keep our bodies from breaking down. Get in and get adjusted every once in a while when you're feeling good. It's easier to keep you going good than it is to let it get bad every time and then try to fix it up. Just those two things, maintaining your core strength and getting into your chiropractor and getting adjusted every once in a while, will keep you from having low back pain all the time. If you do those two things, you keep yourself in shape, you keep your weight down, I'm telling you, you're going to be healthier and your back is going to give you way less problems. So I hope this helps, guys. Have a great afternoon.